Grow Credit Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'll provide an honest review of Grow Credit, a unique financial tool designed to help users build credit through their recurring payments. Grow Credit is especially beneficial for individuals with limited credit history or those looking to improve their credit scores without taking on traditional credit lines. The platform automatically generates a credit line based on your monthly subscriptions, which means that every time you pay for services like Netflix, Spotify, or even your gym membership, you're positively contributing to your credit score. One of the standout features of Grow Credit is its seamless integration with your existing subscriptions. By linking your bank account, Grow Credit tracks your recurring payments and reports them to the major credit bureaus. This feature is particularly appealing for those who may struggle with traditional credit building methods, as it provides a hassle-free way to improve your credit without taking on debt. Plus, the platform offers a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to manage your subscriptions, monitor your credit score, and get personalized tips for further improvement. The platform is designed for anyone looking to establish or rebuild their credit, especially younger users, new immigrants, or individuals who may have had credit challenges in the past. Additionally, the subscription model allows you to choose between a free plan with limited features or a paid plan that unlocks premium functionalities. The paid option provides you with a higher credit limit, along with additional financial insights that can help you navigate your credit journey more effectively. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential drawbacks. While Grow Credit can help build your score, it does not replace the need for a diverse credit profile. Users should still consider other forms of credit, such as secured credit cards or loans, to further enhance their creditworthiness. Also, keep in mind that there may be fees associated with the paid plan, so it's crucial to evaluate whether the benefits justify the cost for your specific situation. Overall, Grow Credit offers a novel approach to credit building, making it a solid option for those looking to improve their financial health. If you're ready to take control of your credit score and want a convenient way to do it, Grow Credit could be the right tool for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on financial products.